If your Temu coupon code keeps failing, disappearing, or doing nothing at checkout, this video will explain exactly why and how to fix it. Most people think the code itself is broken, but that's usually not the case. Before we start, I've placed the working Temu coupon code right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a few extra backup codes that still work. Here's what's really happening. Temu doesn't automatically apply coupon codes unless they're activated properly. Just typing a code at checkout usually isn't enough. Here's the correct process. First, click the first link in the description. This step links the coupon to your account. Once the page opens, you'll see a QR code. Scan it to activate the offer. If you're on desktop, you'll also see a manual code you can enter instead. Both do the same thing. Once activated, go to your profile and open your coupon wallet. You should now see the discount listed there. Next, add items to your cart like normal. At checkout, tap available coupons and manually select the one you just activated. If you skip that step, the discount won't apply, and that's the mistake almost everyone makes. Once selected, your total should drop immediately. I've tested this multiple times and it works exactly like this. So if your Temu coupon wasn't working before, try again using the code on screen and follow these steps. And if it finally works for you, leave a comment and let me know how much you saved.